Okay, good morning, children. Now we can explain the fresh concept, that is isotopes, isobars, isotones, and isodiaphers. Now I can explain. First, I can explain isotopes. How do we can define isotopes? The atoms of the atoms of the atoms of the same element are having same atomic number but different mass number. Are called isotopes. Here iso means same. Here iso means same. So how do we can define isotopes? Means the atoms of the same element are having same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. Here I can take one example. So here hydrogen containing 3 isotopes. Hydrogen containing how many isotopes? 3 isotopes. That is, one is protium. In that protium, P is there. Say atomic number Z is equal to 1, mass number A is equal to 1. And second one is deuterium. The D is there. Atomic number Z is equal to 1, mass number A is equal to 2. And third one is tritium. In the tritium, T is there. Atomic number Z is equal to 1, mass number A is equal to 3. So here also one in the are hydrogen. Atomic number Z is equal to 1, mass number A is equal to 1. Deuterium also we can write down. Hydrogen, atomic number Z is equal to 1, mass number A is equal to 2. In tritium, hydrogen, atomic number Z is equal to 1, mass number A is equal to 3. Listen now. How do we can define isotopes? Means the atoms of the same element. Here hydrogen, element will be same element are having same atomic number. Atomic number here, atomic number 1, 1 1, same atomic number, but different mass number. Mass number here 1, here mass number 2, here mass number is 3. That means same atomic number but different mass number are called isotopes. So we can take the iso means here same. Hydrogen containing how many isotopes? 3 isotopes. That is, one is protium, deuterium and tritium. So some more examples of isotopes. So example 2, carbon isotopes. Carbon atomic number Z is equal to 6, mass number A is equal to 12. So here atomic number Z is equal to 6, mass number A is equal to 13. Atomic number Z is equal to 6, mass number A is equal to 14. Next example 2, nitrogen containing 2 isotopes. Nitrogen atomic number Z is equal to 7, mass number A is equal to 14. Nitrogen atomic number Z is equal to 7, mass number A is equal to 15. So example 3, chlorine atomic number Z is equal to 17, mass number A is equal to 35.5. Chlorine atomic number Z is equal to 17, mass number A is equal to 37. These are the examples for the isotopes. Isotopes means here atomic number will be same, but mass number will be different, 12, 13, 14. But here atomic number will be same, 6, 6, 6. So here also same atomic number 7, 7, mass number will be different, 14, 15. Here atomic number will be 17, 17, same atomic number but mass number will be changes. That is called isotopes. Next isobars. So here how to we can define isobars means the atoms of the different elements. The atoms of the different elements. Different elements are having same mass number. Same mass number but different atomic number. Different atomic number are called isobars. It is opposite to isotopes. Here in the isotopes what are the same? Atomic number will be same. Here in the isobars mass number will be same, atomic number will be different. Now we can take some examples. So here elements will be same or different, atoms of different elements. So now we can take the argon. Atomic number Z is equal to 18. So mass number A is equal to 40. And calcium atomic number Z is equal to 20. Mass number A is equal to 40. So here atomic number will be different, 18, 20. mass number will be same, here 40, here 40. Same atomic number, different mass number are called isotopes, isobars. Next we can take the isotones. Isotones, here the atoms of the different elements, the atoms of the different elements are having different atomic number, and different mass number. But same number of neutrons. Are called isotones. Here the atoms of different elements are having the different atomic number and different mass number. Here both are same. Now we can take one example. Phosphorus, atomic number Z is equal to 15, mass number A is equal to 31, and sulfur, atomic number Z is equal to 16, mass number A is equal to 32. Listen, here the atoms of different elements, element is here phosphorus, here sulfur, different elements are having the different atomic number 15, atomic number 16, different atomic number and different mass number. Here mass number is 31, here mass number is 32. Different elements, different atomic number and different mass number, but condition is same number of neutrons. Both elements are having the same number of neutrons are called isotones. How do we can calculate number of neutrons? Number of neutrons, already previous class we can told that. What is the formula for the number of neutrons? Number of neutrons is equal to A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number. Here in the phosphorus atom, what is the mass number? 31 minus atomic number Z is equal to 15. That is equal to how many neutrons? 31 minus 15, how many neutrons? 60 neutrons are present in the phosphorus. Like that here also. Number of neutrons, what is the formula? A minus Z. In the sulfur atom, what is the mass number? Here mass number is 32 minus atomic number Z is equal to 16. That is equal to how many neutrons? 16 neutrons. So in the phosphorus atom number of neutrons 16, in the sulfur atom number of neutrons is 16. So both atoms are having the same number of neutrons, such called are isotones. So next, isodiaphers. How do we can define isodiaphers? Means the atoms of the the atoms of the different elements. Different elements are having same number of A minus 2Z. A minus 2Z are called isodiaphers. The atoms of different elements are having the same number of A minus 2Z. Here A is equal to, what is going to be A? Mass number. Z is equal to atomic number. So we can take one example. Fluorine. Atomic number Z is equal to 9. Mass number A is equal to 19. So sodium atomic number Z is equal to 11 and mass number A is equal to 23. So atoms of the different elements, here atom is fluorine, here atom is sodium. Atoms of different elements are having the same number of A minus 2Z. Now we can take fluorine atom. Formula, what is formula? A minus 2Z. In the fluorine atom, what is the mass number? What is the mass number for the fluorine atom? 19 minus 2 into Z. 2 into Z means atomic number. What is the atomic number of fluorine? 9. 19 minus 9 to Z 18. 19 minus 18 is equal to 1. What is the A minus 2Z of fluorine atom? 1. So we can take sodium atom. What is the formula? A minus 2 into Z. So here, what is the mass number of sodium? Mass number of sodium is 23 minus 2 into, what is the Z of sodium? Atomic number of sodium is 11. So 23 minus 11 to 22. 23 minus 22 is equal to 1. So sodium, fluorine and sodium are having the same number of A minus 2Z. Here 1, here also 1. So both fluorine and sodium are isodiaphers.